Hey friends, my name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a yarn holder to display your mini skeins or big hand-dyed yarn or regular yarn. I was trying to figure out a way to display my Advent mini skeins and I couldn't find any good tutorials on different ways to hang that up. And so that's why I figured out a way to do it and I decided to show y'all. So anyway, let's go ahead and dive in. To make the yarn display, you'll need a way for the wood to be held on the wall and then a way for the yarn to be held on the wood. So I chose to do a dowel for my wood. I got the 5/8 inch size dowel. I just got it at Lowe's. I also got these hooks at Lowe's. They're called 8 hooks. And then there are 2 per package for this size. The size I got was 2 1/8 inch because it fits my 5/8 inch piece of wood. You can slide it in. So you can see it has one side that will slide in across the wood and then one side that I'll be able to use to slip my yarn onto it. So I got 12 hooks total, 2 come per package. So 12 packages of these, 24 hooks because 2 come per package. And then to hold the wood to the wall, I'm using a leather strap system. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this leather and cut it into 4 pieces, and then I will have a way for it to fold over and the wood will sit in the fold and the screw will be screwed into the wall with the leather attached there. This leather I got from Hobby Lobby. It's called Real Leather Crafts and it's $8.50. Obviously Hobby Lobby runs a lot of sales frequently, and so wait for it, it might go on sale, but it's called the Suede Strip 1.5 inch 42 inches by 42 inches. So that's what I'll be using for my leather strap. To make the hole for the screw on the leather strap, I have this hole puncher. Y'all, I bought this probably 6 years ago when I thought I was going to get into like leather work and I've never used it. So that's the only reason why I will be using this today. Otherwise, I'd probably try to like, I don't know, do scissors or something. So if you don't want to buy this, you can just try to do like scissors or a hole punch or something. I don't know. We're gonna figure this out together. I will link all of this stuff down below in the comments. First, you need to decide if you are making 1 yarn display or more. For me, I wanted 2, so I needed to cut my dowel in half. So I cut my 6-foot dowel into 2 3-foot dowels. I was pretty proud of myself because I cut this on my own without any help. One thing you should be aware of with cutting these dowels is that you will get less splintering if you tape the spot you will be cutting. When I first started thinking of how I wanted this to look, I thought I would stain the wood, but I was impatient and didn't use pre-stain, so it looked terrible and splotchy. So I ended up just spray painting it pink, and it was a happy accident because I think I like it better now like this. So you can see I have one leather strap done here. I folded it, the back part up and then the top part down and around so that none of the edges are exposed. And then this will be the front. I'm going to make this gold, and then the curtain rod's going to sit right here. So let me show you how to do that. What you're going to do, once you've eyeballed it on one strap, then you're going to lay it out as a stencil on the other end of the curtain rod. So you're going to need 2 holders per curtain rod, obviously. So you mark one side. You can see my marks are right here, here, and here. And then you're going to need to do it on the wrong side as well, because since you're folding it, it's going to be folded, so you'll have to see the wrong side of the strap as well. So now you just need to match up the marks as best as you can, like that. Okay, and then using this leather cutting tool, and when I initially was talking about this tool, I made it sound like you could do scissors or something. Now using this tool, I 100% would spend the money and buy this leather punching tool because it makes it so much easier. Okay, so I have 3 thicknesses here, and it's going to be able to cut through all 3, and you can hear it. Ready? Did you hear the 3 clicks? You could hear all 3. Okay, so then you release and then just take it out, and you can see I have my little hole there where my screw will fit. Perfect. Putting your pencil through the 3 holes on the leather, mark on the wall where you'd like this to be hung. Drill a hole slightly smaller than the screw you'll be using, and then screw the leather strap into the wall. I checked the height of the rod to make sure I was on the right track before doing the other side. I forgot to mention this earlier, but if you don't want to take the time to make these leather holders, they do sell these on Amazon, and I'll be sure to link it in the description. So you can see my yarn advent holder is coming along nicely. I've done 6 days so far. It's been so fun opening my yarn advent each day. So you can follow along with me here on YouTube. I'm posting them as shorts, or on Instagram at Cozy Nooks Designs. I'll link everything in the description. But anyway, let me know if you do end up making this. Thanks for joining me. My name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs. Thanks. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you liked it. I am Rachel from Cozy Nooks Designs, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for future free patterns and tips.